Hello guys, so today, I'm gonna tell you how you can install CapCut in India under 2 minutes. First you need to open your browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. After opening the browser, head over to the extensions menu and visit the web extension store. After opening the store, search for any VPN. I would suggest using Urban Proxy VPN. After installing the VPN, turn it on from the extensions. Use any country you want, in which it is not banned. After turning the VPN on, search for CapCut and open their website. Then click on the download button. A new tab will open and your download will start automatically. When the download completes, just run the setup. It will install CapCut in your system. I have already installed it and using it. And for your reference, I have also shown you that if you will try to access the CapCut website without VPN, it will show you this, as it is banned in India, so you can install it via a VPN. So, if you liked the video, hit the like and subscribe button for more videos like these and put a bicep emoji in the comments. Thank you.